Hi, welcome back. Today we'll discuss about how to verify the version of the browser driver which is already downloaded in our machine. In the previous video we talked about why we get session not created exception and illegal state exception and how to resolve them. Session not created exception occurs in case of mismatch between the browser driver version and the browser version. Checking the browser version, we have discussed about it in the same video. I'll link it in the list box and also in the info. I will again touch base upon how to verify the browser version through program and without program in later part of the video. Let's now discuss how to verify browser driver version. How to verify the version of the browser driver which is already downloaded in our machine, that we will check in this video. It may so happens that we have already downloaded the browser driver some days ago and now we forget about which version it supports. So in that case, instead of re-downloading it, we have an option to check the version of the browser driver through command prompt following these steps. Like here in my machine in this path, I already have chromeDriver downloaded some days ago. And now I am not sure of which version it supports. To verify which version it supports, I will open command prompt. Easy way to open command prompt is writing cmd in the file explorer and a command prompt pointing to that location will open. Once your command prompt point to the physical location where your browser driver is existing, type in command chromeDriver-v and you can see the version it supports. Like here the chromeDriver version is 87. Now I will navigate to the location where browser driver supporting another version is existing. I will copy the path and put it in command prompt so that it will point to this location. You can do so by using cd command or directly writing cmd in this file explorer address as we did in the previous example. Again typed in the command chromeDriver-v and the version of the browser driver can be seen. Now you need to have Chrome of version 91 in your machine to avoid session not created exception. Now as we know the browser driver version, let's see how the browser version can be verified. First we'll see that how to do it without program. Open any browser, for example Chrome here. Click on the triple dot on the top right side of the kernel, then help followed by about Google Chrome. You can see the version of the Chrome browser. Through the same process, using help button, you can see the version of any browser along with Chrome like IE or Opera or Firefox. Now let's check how the same browser version can be verified through Selenium program. This is a simple Selenium program using Java as backend language. I have used system.set property to set the path of the driver executable. Then I have initialized the browser driver. Using the capabilities functionality, I am trying to get the browser name, version, and the platform name. As you can see in the console, all these things are printed. To summarize, today we discussed about how to verify the browser driver executable version through command prompt, also how to verify the browser version through Selenium program and without using program through help menu. Please provide your valuable suggestion and feedback through comment. I would be more than happy to go through them. Thank you.